Cai Chongxin of Alibaba says data and artificial intelligence are key skills for financial technology companies and other companies. From banking to e-commerce to manufacturing, using data to better understand clients is becoming an absolute core skill for companies today, according to Alibaba Group Holding Executive Vice Chairman Joseph Tsai. Speaking on a panel at the 2021 Hong Kong FinTech Week conference, Tsai said the direct-to-consumer trend has led to an explosion of data collection by companies across sectors as they try to provide more tailored customer experiences and shorten their manufacturing cycle. Alibaba owns the trend really drives the whole movement towards digitization of the business world. When you talk to senior management of various companies, they say they use data to drive decision-making, said Tsai, who took part virtually. Getting closer to the customer is no longer a need. It is a necessity. Artificial intelligence also is helping companies better understand and address their risks. Another necessity for companies who want to offer financial services, Tsai said. For example, AI can help identify potentially fraudulent activity in the payment space, as well as help identify risky behavior that is not worth underwriting when it comes to lending to consumers of small and medium-sized enterprises, he said. Every tech company that purports to be tech-fin or get into financial services, your risk management is different from chat or short-form video, Tsai said. It is very, very hard to do. AI is being used widely by fintech companies in their apps in Asia, from wealth tech to insurance tech, to enhance the user experience and make them more competitive, according to Neil Shen, founding and managing partner at Sequoia Capital China. The biggest of Hong Kong's three currency issuing banks is spending $5.5 billion on technology every year as it uses technology to discover more about its clients and take advantage of the market opportunities to better serve them, said David Liao, the bank's co-CEO for Asia Pacific. The key to our business is to serve the societal needs of retail customers, trade and corporate institutions, Liao said. Shen and Liao were on the same panel as Tsai. As more companies, including so-called tech-fin companies, enter the financial space, compliance checks and balances will be increasingly important, particularly when it comes to cross-border transactions, Liao said. Tsai, the Alibaba vice chairman, said financial services companies are increasingly engaging with their customers with mobile devices, rather than in person at branches. One challenge for banks and other traditional financial companies in the future is how to transform their branch networks, he said. Maybe you partner with an e-commerce company for more of a retail operation or you deliver products from the branch network, he said. If I'm a traditional bank, I have to think of new ways to engage with customers. Liao said financial companies will need to have great partners in the future as they cannot be everything to all customers, but that a personal touch will still be needed. I do think we need to see each other physically, whether it's in a branch or in Starbucks, he said.